electronic thing. Is that
Yo, where this is the lobby, man?
And it is time out for
Lovens! Pumunta bakla.
the president's been
Lovens! Who's this? Who's that?
Where's Lobbins,
What?
man? I mean,
Lobbins?
you know how long I've been waiting here for?
What? That is hey, who you looking for here? No.
He's alright, it's Rick.
It's good. Tripping.
He's school. He goes to school with me.
Stop blending that.
He's alright, he goes to school with me, Dad.
No, hey, go to Blan.
Hey, wait, where you going? Yo, Rick. Hey!
Kool-Aid here.
Yo.
You crazy?
Okay,
You coming in my house?
I got you.
Move it not that way.
Okay.
Move it. You thirsty? I'm not sure. Ah, sure, right? I come with. You never say moving more than I went. Hey, what you doing?
My bad about that, man. My dad is Haitians. It's
Fine,
different,
bro.
type of black.
That was so yesterday. It's cool, bro.
Okay,
Bro, I
cool.
have this jam I want you to listen to, man.
Yeah,
it's sick,
is
bro.
it rap?
It's gonna get you bananas, bro. Watch.
It's not rap?
Yeah. No, but it's cool. It's cool. Look.
Fucking awesome, bro. Fucking awesome. Yeah, bro. Music boulot pour
Dude,
moi
this guy again?
Ça blende là.
No.
What?
Bro,
What you saying to
bro.
me? What you saying to me?
Dad,
You're ruining the
alright.
vibe. What you talking to me?
Dad, okay. Alright.
I'm petty busy.
Alright,
What's
Dad.
that different?
Dad.
I'm never lying. I'm never lying.
Killing the
I'm
vibe.
coming to America 50 Sundays. I'm never lying. You don't call me that.
Okay.
I got bloody money. He's not
Daddy,
with
alright,
my
Dad.
He's in English.
Okay.
English?
Oh,
I'm speaking English.
oh.
You don't know I'm speaking better English.
Yo, Rick. Haitians, man.
He's tripping.
I can't do
That's
nothing.
your dad?
I can't do nothing about it, man.
Bro, he's a serious nut job.
I can't. Like, he beats me with the belt.
With a belt, he comes in your room without knocking?
He pays the bills. I don't really pay
This
these
is
bills.
you see this? This is your box, dude. Dude, you can't let anyone come in your box. That's like, who do you see coming into North Korea? Fuck that. This is, drop nukes on them. Look, this is your box.
Right.
That's why there's a North Dakota and a South Dakota, bro. You got this, bro. How old are you, bro?
23.
23, alright, so you're a man, bro. You go tell him this is your box.
Yeah, I got
Whose
chin
box
hair.
is this?
I got chin hair.
Yes, bro, you got the beard.
Yeah.
That took, how long did that take you, man?
Yeah, a little
We've been
bit.
shaving since 6th grade.
Yeah.
Come on, man, you go tell him, tell him.
You're right.
Alright, tell him you're a man.
No, but sure.
And tell him tell him firmly. Like
But
this is your house.
You're right.
Yeah. Go do that.
You're right.
Tell him.
Dad, you can't come in my room like that no more. What? Yeah, that's what I said. Ou pas qu'à venir chez moi comme ça encore. No. I pay some bills here too. Rick told me. Rick? Yeah, Rick.
Oh, okay, Rick,
Yeah.
yes. This nigga says.
Yeah, I'm glad you see my way.
Parce que c'est lui qui paye le bill là.
Yeah.
C'est lui qui te fait. Oh.
Huh?
C'est lui qui est. Rick, c'est papa.
Rick.
Est-ce que Rick,
This
c'est
is
papa?
insane.
Man,
Dude, this is crazy. I'm calling the police.
Hey, Rick, no. Go ahead, call Rick. Help me, please. Give it dead.
Look, I'm saving you.
Give it down. Hey. On y a là, c'est blanc qui papa.
No.
C'est blanc qui papa. Pardon. I don't know what I was thinking. L'on fin là. I don't know. On va nettoyer tout cas là. L'on fin nettoyer tout cas là. What boy débonne pour moi, pour l'ordre. Vous comprenez?
911, what's your emergency?
I'm get my son is coming with the rifle to, I don't know what they coming to do, but he's got big problem, a big problem, okay?
He's got a gun?
No, we don't got a gun. Every man feels like I'm that team, because we don't got no problem like that, okay? I don't got no problem like that for the guy to come in to my house to tell me, this mouse, I cannot be coming, this mouse in the room. Oh no, I cannot be going like that.
Stay calm, sir.
Okay, I'm calm, but my son right now, he's on the floor, he don't got no respiration, in your move. I don't know. I take him like that, but I don't know. If come and tell me that's his room, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense.
Help is on the way.
Okay, thank you. Bon Dieu béni. Okay, bye.